Hi, this is Bea, my daughter, and she is going to show to you right now how to make a hair for her
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel. But Rapunzel's hair is color red, and she's doing the color blue. So here's how to do it. Okay, first all you have to do is to put the Play-Doh
In the castle.
inside the castle, at the top of the castle, and then you make pindot pindot, and then you have to press it, press and press, and here comes, there it goes, here it goes, there it goes. The hair is looks like
Mom.
not hair. it's it's going and
To down.
going to down. And now it's very it's longer and longer and longer. Come on. And now it's not yet finished. Look. Okay. Excuse me, sir. Benson. Now it's almost finished, and she's holding it. Okay, the long has become very hair. Oh, I'm sorry, the hair has become very long. Okay, so that's it. That's how we make a hair for the princess using the castle.
Pindot, pindot.
Okay, and that is Bea. Thank you for watching us in
Wow.
the Princess
Castle set.
castleset.com.